Hello there. This is Sam Limo, your Texas Realtor. Just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for the support. As your professional consultant, I'm here to help and to give you the best ways of how to do business in today's market. So today I want to talk about the time that you spend online looking for houses, researching, seeing if the prices are going down. If you're watching the news, you're thinking, okay, let's see what's out there today. So today, I know a lot of people spend between 14 to 15 hours researching online, but I'm here to tell you that there's a better way to do it, and that's putting me to work. And putting me to work means that I have the tools that can save you time and money. So I'm going to talk about just a better way of how to do it. So let's look at this screen. All right, so right here, this is a tool that is in place that if you send me your email and your names, I will be able to use this system to basically custom search what you're looking for. And when we find what you're looking for, you will be able to get any new listing that comes up. You'll also be able to see any price reduction, anything about the houses that we searched from the first time, any change of them, whether it's a reduced price, it will show up. So as you can see right here, I can search all the active or anything that's pending. I can search within like 10 miles from your city, your zip code. I can custom search what type of property you're looking for. Like on this case, single family. I can search acreage. I can see type of builder, how my garage, what type of rooms. So I have all the ways to custom search the price range, how many bedrooms you're looking for, full baths or what, square foot of what you're looking for, the year it was built, what you want a single, levels 1 or 2, garage spaces, living areas. So I can literally custom search what you're looking for within the parameter of what you're looking for. And as you can see on this one, based on this, there's 59 searches right here. I'll be able to see the results. Okay. I can save these results for you. And then now I will create a new auto email for you. And when I have your information, all I got to do is pick up your name right here, and you will be able to receive all the updates. I can set which day you want it or as soon as possible. So that's the easy way of how to do it. That's the easy way how to do it. Let's put this system to work for us while you're asleep. All you do is send me one email with all the specifics of what you're looking for, and I'll put it in here, and we let this system work while me and you are asleep. When we find the house that you're looking for, we go shopping for it. So that's it. The easy way of I can save you 14, 15 hours of research through 1 minute that it will take you to send me an email. So that's it. Easy way to research when we're asleep. Both of us will be asleep, and this system will be working for us. Another thing, after talking with a couple of my customers, I also talked about when you go out to apply for financing, they want you to create an account like this. And a lot of us are not prepared to take the next step, or we don't know what is going to be on this form. So today I just wanted to show you what is actually on the residential loan application, and so that you can be prepared, so you can have the information that is necessary for this form, and you will be able to apply with confidence. So let's go through this form. So basically, you're going to need your basic information right here, including your social, whether you are jointly or individually applying. You're going to state your marital status. You can so write how many dependents that you have and their ages, your contact information, your current address. If less than 2 years, you need your previous address, your mailing address if it's different, your current employer. So all your current employer, and it also helps you to actually break down your income, because part of the pre-approval process is to show the most income that you have, because the income ratios, which are covered in a different video, comes into play. So you don't want to cheat yourself of any income that you have coming. So you can break it down as detailed as you can. All right, so we keep coming here. Complete information, additional information about your employment. So if you have 2 jobs or you're self-employed, this is an option for it. Your details of that income anymore if you have 3 or if you provide at least 2 years of current and previous employment income. So if you've been at your job for a year, you need at least to state your previous employer too. Okay? You want to maximize on your income sources. Any income that you have coming, this is where you can pick it up. And they give you all kinds and options of those incomes. So list them down here, state how much they are. So the more income you show, the better chances you give yourself in terms of the income ratios. All right, you come back here, there's assets and liabilities. So you will show all your assets right here. So they give you all the particular, include all accounts under these types. So you have show all your assets right here. Okay, other assets right here. Then when it comes to liabilities, so basically this is your credit cards. I would suggest if you have anything like $500 max credit card or $300 and it's costing you $39 a month, I would suggest pay that one off so that you can show less liabilities right here. The less the liabilities, the more the income, you give yourself a better chance. So I would always suggest if you have anything that is less than $300 in your credit card, just pay that credit card off. Because what happens is not only are you, when you pay it off, you might give yourself more chances for higher credit score too. So, all right. Financial information, your real estate. So if you already own other properties, this is where you're going to show. So real estate, essentially list properties you currently own. So just capture that information right here. Any additional information? They give you what type of loans that you have. So it's good to know what to expect on this form so that when you come up here, you have that information ready for yourself. So I just wanted to cover this application so that when you come up here and they say create an account, you don't just go into it without knowing what you'll be required of. So better way to shop is to be prepared. And I'm here to help you make that happen. You know, I'm your professional guy here. It's a great day. It's a great year. Let's make it a great year. Use me. Send me your email. Send me your information and put me to work. I look forward to assisting you, finding you your dream home. Thank you and stay blessed.